Hello guys, this is Krishna and I welcome you all on behalf of CSI Chapters We Code of Vit-Ap University. So we'll take a look at a very simple Java topic today, which is constructor. And I'll tell you about the constructor with arguments also and without arguments also. So let's start. So what I'm gonna do, I'll just create a simple class and let me call it CSI. And within this class I am just defining a variable, let's say count, and let's say its value is 10. Okay, and coming to the constructor part, what is constructor and how to define it? So constructor, it is a piece of code which gets executed as soon as you create the object of a class. So that's what a constructor is. It is very simple and easy. So how to create a constructor? So you need to enter the name here, like it is in the class test. Now you have to enter the name of constructor, which will be exactly similar to the name of class. So in this case it will be CSI, and within parentheses you can give some like argument, or you can leave it empty. Let's leave it empty, and what it does, just prints out value of count.
Not count. Let's say it is printing out indeed the string count.
And what I'll do, this main method, I'm gonna create the object. So creating an object is very simple. You might already know about it. So I'll just create it very quickly. So I just created the object of this CSI class. So let's try to execute it. You can see it is printing out count. So what will happen if we just pass some argument with it? Let's say it gets integer count, and here it just prints out the value of count. So you can see Visual Studio Code, it is throwing an error. The constructor CSI is undefined. So can you just pause the video, scratch your head, why is it printing out some error? Try to answer in the comment section. You have 5 seconds to pause the video and comment in the comment section. Okay, if we check why is it showing us error? So it is because of this thing. We are not passing any value in it. So if we pass any value, let's say 84, now it is not showing us any error. And if we try to run it, you may see 84 is getting printed. But you may have some doubt, like we have defined count over here, so why isn't it like printing 10, not 84? It is because we didn't assign value of count to any object. Let's say this is an empty constructor and it is just printing out the string count, and it has a method. Let's say void and CSI in small, and it gets an argument which is count, and then it prints out count. So look over here, it is showing us error because our constructor, it doesn't need any argument, so I'll just remove it. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just assign count, the value of count, to object con. Right, so what I'm gonna do is so what I'll do is I'll just call this function CSI. you may see over here. You may take a look over here. Like now it is gonna print 10 and discount. I hope it is clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, you can just ask us in the comment section, and you can also rewind the video, take another look at it. Till then, bye bye. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.